In this video, I'm going to show you 3 of the biggest mistakes that people make when they're doing a push-up. And if you can just avoid these 3 mistakes, you are going to be able to get much better results and start doing your push-ups properly. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvel here. Now, I still get a lot of questions about, Peter, how do I do a push-up properly? Or Peter, what are the biggest mistakes when it comes to doing a push-up? Because I just don't get the results that I want to get from my push-ups. So if you haven't seen my viral push-up video where I go into painstakingly detail about how to do a push-up properly, you can click there, and I will also put it in the description box below. And there I will show you exactly how to do a push-up. But today I want to talk about the 3 biggest mistakes that I still see people make when they are doing push-ups. And then if you can just avoid these 3 or make those adjustments, you will be very close, if not spot on, with your push-ups and start getting much better results. So the very first one is that people still flare their elbows out. Now this is not just bad form, but it's really bad for your elbow and especially your shoulder because it's not a natural movement. And all you need to do is you need to corkscrew your hands in as you go into a push-up position. And when you do that, it will bring your elbows much closer to your body. We're not talking about close grip push-up here yet, but you just want those elbows and those arms to be much closer to the body. And from here onwards, this is the perfect position for your arms to do a push-up then. And it's as simple as that, guys. So just corkscrew your hands in and you will get to the perfect position. Next is the fact that people arch their backs. So they're doing a push-up and basically they're just pushing up the upper part of their upper body. Okay, now there are yoga exercises like this, but we are talking about how to do a push-up properly. Now the main thing here is the main reason this is happening is because people don't have complete anterior chain tension. In other words, the front of their body isn't nice and tight, and you can achieve this by contracting your quads and contracting your core. And when you do this, you will see that you instantly lift off the floor already if you're just in the bottom position. And from here onwards, you can now do a push-up up and down, and you will see it's a nice straight line. So contract those abs and contract those quads as you start doing a push-up. And then the final mistake that I still see a lot of people make is range of movement. And what most people do is this. So they're just going up and down in a very small range of movement. And what you really want to do is you want to go all the way down, just touch the floor with your chest and then push all the way back up. Now, don't worry about locking up your arms. Your arms can't really lock in this position, so you're just fine. But try and go all the way down and all the way up. In fact, when I teach my guys to focus on technique, I will actually let them come all the way up to where a normal push-up would stop and then push even further so they can develop some straight arm scapular strength and getting into that hollow hold plank position. And there you go, guys. So those are the 3 biggest mistakes. Fix those mistakes and I promise you will get much better results from your push-ups starting today. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Remember, keep it simple and have fun. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Until the next one, bye-bye.